Just drizzling some homemade dressing in on this chopped cabbage. There we go. Mix it up. So we're gonna put a avocado salsa on top of the brisket and roast. Actually, we got bison. Nice, healthy, lean meat. Making a little bit of a mess, but that's all right. So it's all tossed in. Add in the green onion. Boom, right there. Got a cup. Do a half cup of the poblano pepper. There we go. Mix that in. All the greens in there. Last but not least, cilantro. Boom, nice cup, heaping cup of that. Maybe even a little bit more. Mix that in. 2 limes, because I like the lime. Had a nice citrus to it. All right. That one, we don't need that one. All right. That's the base right there. And then get that avocado all cut up. Throw it on top. Let's see what it is. So we got a nice freshly tossed salad. Well, it's a lot of cabbage. We got green onion in there. We got the cilantro in there. We got the poblano pepper in there. We got our homemade dressing in there. It's all mixed up. That's our base that goes on the bottom. Then we got our nice lean protein of bison. And then we got the cubed avocado on top. You can do it different ways. You can make a salsa out of the avocados. Otherwise, you can just cube them, put them on top. It makes for a nice fresh topping. So yeah, if you guys like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up, a follow, and try it out. Try making it. It's delicious. It's fresh, homemade. It's paleo. So check it out.